I'm Shannon O'Dowd. I am a TV host, commercial spokesperson. I'm also an on-camera coach, a media trainer, and a corporate performance coach. I've been teaching on-camera hosting for hosts, experts, influencers, content creators for over 10 years now. I teach a class on Thursday nights at Killian's Workshop in Hollywood. I also do private coaching, but in the class, it's really set up to kind of run you through all the major areas of hosting that you might start getting work in. So there's entertainment reporting, infomercials, reality TV, shopping channels, talk shows. I also do teleprompter training, and I bring in an agent.